Hello, viewers. I'm Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stands before you with a very important topic of environmental science, which is hydrosphere. So far as the EVS paper of first semester of plus 3 first year is concerned, I have already discussed three important topics on EVS paper like climate change, global warming and biosphere. And today, for the interest of students of first semester of first year, I have prepared an English video as well as an Odia video on the topic hydrosphere. I think it will be very much useful for the first semester of first year students, and I request them to watch this video attentively until the end. I think a lot of benefits they will derive. Let us start. Hydrosphere. In this video, three main aspects of hydrosphere have been touched. Number one is the meaning of hydrosphere. Number two, components of hydrosphere. And number three, nature of water. We'll discuss mainly three aspects of hydrosphere. Number one is meaning of hydrosphere. Number two, components of hydrosphere and nature of water. Let us start. What is hydrosphere? The word hydrosphere has been coined for the first time by a geologist, Edward Swiss, who was born in the year 1831 and he died in 1914. He was the first man who coined the word hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the total quantity of water in the earth. In the earth, 70% of the earth is covered with water. So, the quantity of water in the entire earth is known as hydrosphere. Due to presence of water in the earth, life is possible. And as water is found in the earth, so earth is suitable for living beings. And it is believed that in the solar system, earth is the only planet which has water, and for water, life is possible in this earth. As water is found 71% of the earth is water. As water is found in earth, it is known as blue planet. In the human body also, 65 to 95% constitutes water. So, hydrosphere means the total quantity of water in the earth is known as the hydrosphere. Now discuss components of hydrosphere. Where water is found. Hydrosphere consists of how many elements? Number one, water is found in different areas of the earth. Number one, water in surface. In the earth, in the surface, water is found. Water is found in ocean, river, pond, stream and lake. So this is the first component of water. This is the first component of hydrosphere. So components of hydrosphere means in which sphere water is found. The first component of hydrosphere is water in surface. In the earth, in different surfaces, water is observed. It is mainly observed in ocean, river, pond, stream and lake. This is the first component of hydrosphere. Another component of hydrosphere is water in underground. Water is also observed in underground. It is observed in the well and aquifers. Aquifer means there are some rocks which are holding the water. So second component of hydrosphere is water in underground. In underground, water is found in wells and aquifers. And finally, third component of hydrosphere is water in atmosphere. In the atmosphere also, water particles are found and water vapor is also found in the air. So this is the third component of water, third component of hydrosphere. So there are three components of hydrosphere. Now one is, first component of hydrosphere is water on the surface of the earth. Number two. Second component of the hydrosphere is water in the underground. Third component of hydrosphere is water vapor in the atmosphere. So we are till now clear what is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means total quantity of water in the earth. We have discussed components of hydrosphere. Hydrosphere has three components. The first component is water on the surface. The second component is water in the underground. Third component is water vapor in the atmosphere. So we are clear about the meaning of hydrosphere and we are clear about the components of hydrosphere. Now, a very important aspect of hydrosphere awaits. That is the nature of water. The first nature of the water, it is not safe. It is known as the nature of water. Water has as many as 8 types of natures. The first nature of the water is transparency. The first nature of the water is transparency. Water is transparent. As water is transparent, sun ray can move to the bottom of the water. Due to this reason, plants and animals under the water can survive, are surviving. So the first nature of the water is, it is transparent. As water is transparent, sunlight can move deep into the water. So plants and animals which are underwater, they are surviving or they can survive. So the first nature of the water is transparency. Second nature of the water is conduction. Conduction means flowing nature of water. The second nature of the water is conduction. Water has the capacity to move. Water has the capacity to flow from one place to another. As water flows from one place to another, due to this reason, there is also blood circulation in the human body. Because if there will not be blood circulation in the human body, then the body will be paralyzed. So, another nature of the water is that it's conduction. Water has the capacity, water has the nature to flow. Due to this reason, blood circulates in the body. Number 3, viscosity. It is another important nature of the water. Viscosity means water has the nature to push anything above it. Viscosity means water has the nature to push anything above it. It pushes anything to above. Due to this reason, ships float on the water, and animals and plants also float. The fourth nature of the water is its pressure. It means as one moves deep into the water, pressure increases. And this nature of water, it helps in the body construction of animals and plants under the water. So the fourth nature of the water is its pressure. And number 5, solvent. Solvent means anything. Solvent means there are certain objects which can mix with the water and they can vanish in the water. Many things can mix and vanish in water. Salt, sugar can mix in water or they can vanish in water. It is another nature of water, solvent. And number 6, habitat. Habitat means animal and plants can survive in water. Because in water, oxygen is also found. So, watery habitat means in water, animals and plants can survive. So, there are many types of plants and animals, they are surviving under the water. So, watery habitat. Number 7, changing shape of water. Water can change its shape. If it will be cooled, it will become solid. If it will be boiled, it will become gas. Otherwise, water will be in the liquid form. So, water changes its shape. Finally, water differs on the basis of salt. Water differs on the basis of salt. Water can be of two types, salty water and sweet water. Again, salty water is also two types, permanent salty water and temporary salty water. If temporary salty water will be boiled, it will be converted into sweet water. So, and if permanent salty water will be boiled, it will remain as salty as before. So, in this video, we have discussed and I have tried my best to clear students on the issue of hydrosphere. We have discussed here what is the meaning of hydrosphere in simple language, what are the components of hydrosphere, where water is found. It is found on the surface of the earth, it is observed underground, it is observed also in the atmosphere. So I have tried my best to clear students the meaning of hydrosphere, components of hydrosphere and nature of water. So I think it will be very much beneficial for the students of +3 first semester of +3 first year. I think my viewers will watch this video attentively, and it is the fourth topic of EVS which I have completed, and I have the target to complete at least 20 topics of EVS so that students will be benefited. Thank you viewers. I request you to subscribe my channel and request your friends to subscribe the same so that students will be benefited. Thank you viewers. Again we will be here with another video. Till now, goodbye to all.